Sorry, it's okay. We're just practicing, sorry. If you drop the phone, it's okay. It's only Alex's.
Suri, where's the closest 5-star restaurant? Am I saying Siri?
Wozniak.
Suri, where's the closest 5-star restaurant?
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's right there.
I'm gonna get chocolate.
Oh, I messed that one up. I opened the door.
The door is a lot more important so we can see you.
Suri, email Tom and tell him I'll see him at the meeting. Yeah.
Hey, Hey, my dad's name is Tom and my mom's name is Suri. Hey, my dad's name is Tom and my mom's name is Katie. Hey, my dad's name is Tom and my mom's name is Katie.
My mom's name is Katie.
My
My mom's name is Katie. My mom's name is Katie. Let him know I'm gonna be late for the meeting.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
It's fine.
Hey, my dad's name is Tom and my mom's name is Katie.
This one's gonna be really fun. Action!
You confused her. Come on.
Yes.
Too fun.
Chocolate.
She looks at me. Make it look like you're flinging birds.
This FaceTime thing is great. I tell you, it's great. I missed you too, baby. I missed you too. Katie, come here. I tell you, you're the best. You know, it's too bad that Steve Jobs is dead.
Suri, where's the
Most beautiful man in family.
Please tell me that was good.
That was great. That was great.